Hey, how's it going? I hope you are all enjoying your summer. This is Pinch Tune Danny here, and today we are gonna do some race practice. And I don't post a whole lot of racing because honestly, I'm not that good. But every once in a while I'll go to a spurt of practice and I'll set up a course and I'll practice for a couple of days in a row. And honestly, even though I kind of fall apart in big events simply because maybe my nerves or me, I can't concentrate. It's all in my head. But I enjoy practicing with my friends, and then we meet up on Wednesday nights, and that's a whole lot of fun. So every once in a while I'll do that. I haven't really raced in about 3 or 4 months, I think. But anyway, I've set up a course. I'm gonna fly my old Rockstar quads with a GoPro on it, simply because I don't want to post crummy DVR footage, and I don't like the weight, but I want the nice picture, so that's what we're gonna do. We have stick cam, even though I've had this for a long time. I used it for kiteboarding and windsurfing. I don't think I've ever done a video flying quads with a stick cam, so there we go. And before we go, I can't show you the footage unless you smash the like button. Come on, let's do that first before we even move forward. And yeah, we're gonna check it out, see how it turns out. It's a good day for practice, so hopefully I don't break too much stuff. Let's do it. Alright, you know what? Apart from a little bit of warm-up that I did earlier, that was it. That's like the first take. I was like, oh, I'm gonna shoot a video. And yeah, I'm okay with that. A bunch of lines kind of messed up, but I wanted to be natural. It's not like I'm trying to clip bits together to make it, okay, lady, to be, to look awesome. So yeah, that's, I'm okay with that. That's fun. It didn't crash. You know what? I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it inspires you to set up a track at your local spot. Find a buddy who has a big field or a park where in the morning on a Sunday there's not a whole lot of people there. Set up a track and go practice with your friends. Even if you never raced before, it's still super fun. Even if you're like, oh, I'm like a hardcore freestyle, that's all I do. You still, I promise you will enjoy it. So get out there, try something new. Hit that like button, thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I want to see you around the next one. This channel's doing very good and it's gonna keep doing better if you join. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.